I'm going to read to you, I'm not going to attach an exhibit, but just you want to read along with me. I'm going to read to you a portion of a deposition given by Dr. Landesman in this case. I'm just going to ask you if you agree or disagree with your statement. All right, Doctor? Referring to page 17, which is the middle on the right side, line 24, talking about the significance of the Sargon implant. I'm going to read this aloud, okay? It says, the significance of the implant was the fact that here was an implant that one could put in a patient's mouth and load immediately. And so a patient would not have a long waiting period while the implant healed and then have to recover, open up the tissue, and put on a restoration.
Excuse me, you're on number 17 here? This one?
Yeah, right.
He's starting right here. Line 24.
Oh, you started there. I'm up at the top. I'm sorry.
Line 24.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay. The uniqueness of this implant was it was the first immediate load implant I've ever seen or heard of, and thought that it was an amazing discovery. Okay? Do you think also, Doctor, would you agree that this was an amazing discovery?
Objection lacks foundation.
I think it's very innovative.
Okay, and one more on page 15, starting on line 30. It's the same, actually the same page you're on, but look at the lower left square. That's page 15. And if you look on line 13, it's referring to a conversation between Landesman and Dr. Abu Ross, and it says, I don't recall the exact words that I said to him, but I felt that the impact was so unique and so different than traditional impacts that the fact that this implant, if it could do what Abu Ross and others said it could do, the implant would have a tremendous impact on the profession. Do you agree with that statement?
Objection lacks foundation and calls for speculation. You can answer.
Yeah, I said if everything in there is true, I think that would be a reasonable statement.